everybody. Okay, so I had a lot of people ask about my beaded friendship bracelet door. Of course, the composition paper is from Schoolgirl Style. I think you have to buy it off her site. The other supplies, if you go to my Instagram profile, you'll see a link, and if you click Amazon and then go to beaded friendship bracelet door, there is a set of links for everything that I'm going to talk about today. First, and probably the easiest to get, is fishing line. This is 2/100 diameter, and then I use the plastic needles. So they come in packs. I use them at Christmas time. I use them for Mother's Day. I use them for a million different things. So, and they're not expensive, which is awesome. These are ball pit balls. This time I decided to go with bright colors. I'm not sure if I'm completely married to them, but I guess I am since I bought them, huh? Again, there's a link on my Instagram profile that has several different types. Then I also have these letters that are 3-inch. You could do 2-inch or 2.5-inch. 3 inch is about as big as you can go because I got these foam discs that I think are also 3 inches. So that's the other thing that I use, okay? I guess I should have probably gotten some scissors and brought those over here too, but I don't think this tutorial is going to take too long, so I don't think I really have to get the scissors. But you can see the foam discs. I think a lot of people use them for floral arrangements. Then I also have the letters. So probably the first thing that I do is, let's say that I'm going to spell out second. So I get an S and I center it on my disc, okay? I also decide about how many of these I'm going to put on the line. So, and also usually my order. So usually I'll lay it all out so that all I have to do is just go through and string it. Now, when you're taking the needle and punching a hole into the side of the ball, when you first start trying to do it, sometimes it'll like collapse in and you'll think that you're messing it up, but you're really not. This time it went right through. I didn't even have to push it on the floor. If it doesn't want to go, and by the way, you can see where the needle is about to poke through. So if it's not where you want it, then just move it to where you want it to come through. So that one came and went through just about perfectly, okay, and you can see it now, okay? And let's say that I want to do the, you know, let's say I've done a string of ball pit balls, and now it's time to do the disc. The disc is a little bit tricky, so I decide about where I want the needle to go in. I try to go as straight as I can, and here's the trick. You've got to have needles that are bigger than your disc. So my biggest needle in that pack is probably, I would say 3¼ 3.5 inches long. And when you get to this point right here, see, here's the end that has the fishing line, and then this is the pointed end. I push it as much as I can with my thumb, and then, I know this is kind of gross and weird, I use my tooth and pull it a little bit more, and then I can do that. And now I have my S, and I have a ball pit ball, okay? So it's basically just that easy. It's very simple, and like I said, it's not super expensive either. So definitely visit my Instagram profile, click on the link, Amazon, and then you'll see in my list of different topics and things, there'll be one that says beaded friendship bracelet door, I think. And so if you click that, you'll see links to everything that I'm talking about. All right, so I hope that helps. Bye.